So here is my latest haul, 50% discount on this diorama. It has a box opening, but inside only images what is inside. So there's no window to check what's really inside of the box. I don't know why they make it this way. Let's build and set this bad boy up, and you will see why, as an X-Men fan, that was a pretty cool buy. Beside the price, let's see. Boom. So here we have him more or less set up the way he came just from the box, and as you can see, it's a pretty cool diorama with Kylo Ren, and it does have a lighting feature, so even in a really poor light you can already see that it's pretty cool thing. And what am I going to do? I'm going to do a couple things with it. First of all, let's break the diorama. He has couple places to mount him on. Those pins are removable, and you have more of them here, so you can actually put a little bit more soldiers or other figures in it. And the cool thing with those pins is that they do fit to our favorite line of heroes. So you can already see what I'm getting with it, yeah? And my idea is to use these guys and reproduce kind of a fight between them. We are going to move to my desert diorama, where I've already kind of prepared couple things that I think would look cool. Make him blow this little one like so. An Iceman running from, hiding, something like that. Yeah, let's see with the fire and ice. Yeehaw! And here we have a fight, yeah? What do you guys think? It's gonna work? I know it's not the best Iceman figure out there, but when it works, I think it works pretty well. Cool, right? And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like those. Take care. Thanks for watching.